Welcome to the best picks. The best peppermint pretzels is probably one of the most delicious and festive treats you can find during the holiday season, offering a delightful combination of sweet peppermint and salty pretzels that creates a unique and irresistible flavor profile, perfect for sharing with friends and family or enjoying as a personal indulgence while you're watching your favorite holiday movie. Number 5. Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps. Get ready to experience a delightful treat. These pretzels offer a unique blend of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. They're incredibly thin and crunchy, providing the perfect satisfying crunch in every bite. Enjoy the satisfying texture. Indulge in the irresistible combination of creamy white chocolate and refreshing peppermint. It's a flavor sensation you won't want to miss. This generously sized bag ensures you'll have plenty to share or savor on your own. Perfect for movie nights or any occasion. Whether you're looking for a sweet treat or a salty snack, it offers the best of both worlds. Grab a bag today. What we like? It's the biggest bag, offering the most pretzels for your money. If you're hosting a party or need a large supply of delicious treats, this is the perfect choice. You'll get to enjoy more of that sweet and salty goodness for longer. What people say? Good amount for size of bag. The pretzel doesn't overpower the rest of the flavors like other dipped pretzels I've tried. Delicious, great balance of peppermint, not too much. Pretzels are individual, not stuck together in clumps. Number 4. Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps White Chocolate Peppermint. This season, indulge in our limited edition Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps White Chocolate Peppermint. Get them before they're gone. Experience the delightful crunch of these thin pretzel crisps. They're incredibly addictive. Each crisp is dipped in a creamy white chocolate coating and sprinkled with refreshing peppermint. It's the perfect combination. It's a modern take on classic holiday flavors. This sweet and salty treat is a delicious new tradition. This extra-large bag is ideal for sharing with friends and family during holiday gatherings. Enjoy. The sweet white chocolate and peppermint perfectly complement the salty pretzel. It's a flavor sensation you won't want to miss. What we like? This is a limited edition seasonal flavor, so grab it before it's gone. If you love that irresistible crunch and crave a perfect balance of sweet and salty, this is your ideal treat. Don't miss out on this holiday favorite. What people say? Sweet, salty, and pepperminty. Perfect munchie for parties or movie night. I love dark chocolate-covered pretzels and these are my favorite. They came packaged well. And fresh. I would recommend buying from this seller. A gift. Huge bag for price. Look great. Number 3. Snack Factory Holiday Pretzels. This year's holiday season brings a special treat. It's a delicious combination of sweet and salty flavors you won't want to miss. These aren't your average pretzels. They're dipped in a rich white creme and sprinkled with refreshing peppermint. It's a unique take on classic holiday flavors. This sweet and salty snack is perfect for the season. Experience the delightful crunch and irresistible taste. It's the ideal balance of sweet and salty. These are perfect for sharing at holiday gatherings or adding to your gift bags. Everyone will love them. This limited edition flavor is only available for a short time. Grab yours today. What we like? It's a smaller, more convenient size, perfect for sharing at a small gathering or enjoying as a personal treat. If you're looking for a festive snack to share at a party or include in a gift basket, this is a great option. It's the perfect sweet and salty bite. What people say? If you like white cream, peppermint, and pretzels, you love this combination. Great flavor. They are a popular holiday snack. Number 2. Snack Factory Holiday Pretzels. This holiday season, indulge in the delightful combination of salty and sweet. These pretzels offer a unique twist on a classic treat. Each pretzel crisp is generously dipped in rich, velvety dark chocolate for an intensely decadent experience. It's simply irresistible. A sprinkle of refreshing peppermint candy pieces adds a delightful burst of cool flavor. The perfect balance of sweet and minty. It's a seasonal favorite, so grab them while you can. This limited edition flavor is perfect for the holidays. Experience the satisfying crunch of these pretzels, a perfect blend of sweet and salty flavors. They're incredibly Moorish. These make a wonderful addition to your holiday gatherings or a thoughtful gift for friends and family. They're sure to be a hit. What we like? This one offers a sophisticated twist with dark chocolate. If you appreciate rich, dark chocolate and enjoy a festive peppermint flavor, this is the perfect choice. It makes a wonderful holiday gift or party treat, offering a unique and delicious experience. What people say. A real treat is this dark chocolate-covered peppermint pretzels. These are perfect when craving sweet and salty. Love that the pretzels are thin and one will do the trick, so won't go overboard. Love the perfect blend of dark chocolate and peppermint candies. Would make an perfect addition to a small or large holiday gift bag or basket. Number 1. Pretzel Crisp Dark Chocolate Peppermint. Get ready to experience a delightful treat. These crispy pretzels are covered in rich dark chocolate and refreshing peppermint. It starts with a perfectly thin pretzel, providing the ideal base for the delicious coating. Each pretzel is generously coated in smooth, dark chocolate. It's the perfect combination of sweet and salty. Bits of peppermint are scattered throughout the dark chocolate, adding a refreshing twist to every bite. The combination of salty, sweet, and minty creates an irresistible flavor profile that will leave you wanting more. It's the perfect snack for any occasion. Enjoy them as a sweet treat or share them with friends and family. What we like? It's a delicious combination of dark chocolate and peppermint on a thin, crispy pretzel. If you are looking for a simple yet satisfying sweet and salty snack, this is the one for you. Enjoy the delightful contrast of textures and flavors. What people say. The salty of the pretzel with the bold dark chocolate and refreshing peppermint is my favorite combo. Lots of flavor. These things are addictive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.